Hey guys, welcome back to Nico Brothers. So it's finally time. We're getting this thing washed up, buttoned down, and on the road. Today is camp day. We want to go to camp today. So let's get this thing finished up, make it look good, and test it out, see what happens. Oh yeah, here we go. Alright guys, there we go. We made it to the campsite. I mean, honestly, it drove amazing. I had no issues with it. It was pretty smooth. I mean, I was a little worried at first, definitely eased into it. Went like, 45 and 15, 60, it sat for a while. You never know what's gonna happen, so I'm really happy that we got to the campsite. No issues. So let's go check it out and set up. Alright, so the first thing I want to do is go ahead and hook up my water and my power, make sure that's all working nicely, get the AC going because it's already getting warm. Alrighty. We're out here in the back. We got plenty of space. All these compartments are fantastic. Got all your stuff in there. Oh yeah. There you go.
I don't know, Michael. You look like you're your first time, buddy.
I mean, we'll figure it out. I don't think I need this guy. There should be enough power hookups for that, so let's figure it out. Power goes here and the water goes there. It's nice that the connections are on this side.
Well, as long as you parked on the right side, right, Michael?
This is true. You got to watch out, guys. Because I don't know if it's going to reach unless you have a really long connection, which you probably can, but it's easier to go ahead and park on the right side with all your hookups. So hopefully everything works.
Where's your filter, Michael?
Why do I need a filter for? I'm not drinking the water. Just kidding. Yeah, you could put a filter on it. I guess it's nicer, but this is all natural. Fine.
Ready? All right. Now let's do the power.
Wow, I'm surprised it's not leaking. For some reason I thought it leaked. I don't know.
Oh.
I got it.
Come on, Michael.
I got it.
You're on vacation, Michael. Relax.
Oh, I can't believe we're here. This is so nice, guys. Not gonna lie. A lot of work coming up to here, but we're here. Let's plug it in. Let's get it done. Nice.
There you go.
On?
Sure.
Sure. All right, let's go ahead and turn the AC on, make sure our water's working, and check around the camper and make sure nothing's leaking. Just good. All right, guys, here we go. Let's go ahead and get our AC going. Make sure it gets nice and cool in here.
There we go. And let's check the water too.
Oh yeah.
Wow.
Look at that. Got some air in there, but it's okay. It'll work out. All right, so now we get my slide out to slide out. Hopefully everything works there. But honestly, it's not too bad. You definitely have a good pathway. Even when you're driving, you're going around, you still have plenty of space to move around. So it's not really too confined, which is pretty nice because some campers I've been into, once the slide outs go in, there's no way to go back there. But being a driving one, this is nice that you have the access to the front, to the back. But let's go ahead and slide this out.
Look at all that real estate you're getting, Michael.
Woo. Oh, yeah. Man, I hope we didn't hit anything in the back because I was kind of close to that power pole, but I think it'd be fine, right? We'll check it out later. It slid out, not a problem. Oh yeah, so much more space. Now you got some traffic both ways going back and forth. Nice.
All right, might as well do the blind in the front and the shades too.
Yeah.
Get that sun,
privacy.
you know?
Oh yeah, for sure. Let's do it.
Look at that. I can watch a movie.
Awesome. Beautiful.
And might as well, let's put the bed down.
Yeah.
So fold these seats down and
Gotta recline them a little bit, but shouldn't be a big deal.
360 all the way.
Oh, seatbelts. Chilling for sure. Get my seatbelt out of the way. Where's it going? There it is. Yeah, this guy, we're just gonna recline. Should be good. Let's go get that top bunk down. Here we go.
All right, just like that. That's pretty nice.
Just like that.
And it's all working after what? 2-hour drive, hour and a half drive?
I mean, it's pretty crazy how just the other night we had nothing here and then we had to put it all together, put all the upholstery pieces. It was definitely harder putting together than it's taking apart. Make sure everything's lined up properly. I mean, it's a learning curve too, but hey, we got it. It's working. Now we can go chill and go camping. All right, guys. I'm just hanging out here in the camper, chilling. I want to give a quick shout out to Maya Waggle. I actually brought this along with us. I had it the whole time. Honestly, it's pretty awesome. We had it and it's been working great. Even out here in the country, we're camping. Not a problem. It's got its own built-in Verizon data plan, so I don't have to worry about Wi-Fi or anything like that. It doesn't need Wi-Fi, so it's self-sustaining. It's pretty nice. And then it actually texts and emails you if your camper is overheated or if you lost power or something like that. So that's really cool. I've had it with us. Really enjoyed it. It's not a big deal. Just had it in the back. It's plugged in. Don't worry about it. It's fun to just open up the app, see what's going on, check out the temperature, see what it recommends, you know, if it's too hot, too cold. So definitely pretty handy. I recommend it. We also have a 50% off promo code in the bottom, so make sure you check that out. Give it a link, give it a click, and get yourself one. Really recommend it.
Alright guys, so I made it also good camping. So Michael took that one RV and I took this one. If you guys don't remember, we rebuilt this RV too. This one had electrical damage. We've been taking it out, we've been running it, probably already put on about 12,000 miles on it. It's been good.
we are wrapping up camping, but before we can head out, we got to definitely take out our unwanted waste. So we're gonna try to figure this out. First time with this camper. I mean, so far everything's working great.
I mean, nothing was leaking, right?
Yeah, nothing inside.
Nothing was smelling?
Nothing was smelling.
Toilet was working?
Yes, toilet was working. Turn the fan on once in a while, but you know, part of it. Anywho, let's go ahead and get this hooked up, flushed out.
And hopefully not make a mess.
I don't know. That's interesting. Okay.
So hook up that hose. I'm glad you're doing this, Michael, not me.
Sometimes I gotta just get hands dirty, you know?
Can you do my camper too?
Oh, 1 second.
Make sure it locks in.
Locked in. You screw this thing in first? Or?
No, just...
Okay.
All right, do the black valve first.
So black first and then gray.
Yeah, we want to flush the poop with the water.
All right, we'll get it taken care of. All right, we didn't record it. It's fine. I think we're good. There's all the black stuff. Woo-wee. Not bad for a dirty operation. Still pretty clean.
Just for a little bit to push it. No, all the way. Open it.
All the way?
It's all the way. Yeah, open it. Okay, close it. Okay, now you can close the black.
Black done?
Yeah. Not drain it, yeah.
All right, guys, so there we go. Finally, our camping experience was amazing. We got this thing on the road. It was road worthy. I mean, a lot of people said it was impossible to get this thing back on the road, that it was like completely beyond repair. But
plus the smell, Michael.
Yeah,
was there any smell in there?
I had no campfire smell except for my neighbors, all right? That's the only campfire smell I smelled inside or outside. So honestly, the smell was fantastic. Not a big issue there. I did have my AC leak a little bit. I had to get that tightened down. Some blinds were missing. I had to replace that. But overall, camping experience was great. It's nice to be out here with family and friends. Had a wonderful time. Totally recommend it. Oh, I'm just so happy this thing is good. It's done. Kids had a great time. We all enjoyed it. Well, thanks for watching, guys. Thanks for staying tuned, being part of the journey of getting this thing from being completely burned to looking empty to rebuild, refurnished, and on the road and going camping. So make sure you stay tuned. We still have plenty more coming our way. We have our Smash we're going to take care of. We have our Cobra. I know that one guy keeps commenting about our Cobra. We're going to get it done. It's definitely, you know, it's coming. We're going to knock that out for sure. Not a problem. But we have more builds, some stuff in the back we didn't even talk about yet. But make sure to turn on the notification bell. Don't miss anything else coming up. Thanks, guys. Till next time.